Hello everyone. Today we are going to study something about YouTube. YouTube is an American online video sharing platform owned by Google, accessible worldwide. YouTube was launched on February 14th, 2005 by Steve Shen, Shat Harley, and Javed Karim, three former employees of PayPal. Headquartered in San Bruno, California, United States, it is the second most visited website in the world. After Google search, as of January 2024, YouTube has more than 2.7 billion monthly users who collectively watch more than 1 billion hours of videos every day. As of May 2019, videos were being uploaded to the platform at a rate of more than 500 hours of content per minute. And as of 2021, there were approximately 13 billion videos in total. Now, let us see some important points about it. Its headquarters is in San Bruno, California. Its founders are Steve Shen, Shad Harley, Javed Karim. Its revenue is 31.5 billion US dollars. And its advertising platform is Google AdSense. Its parent is Google LLC, 2006 present. On the 9th of October 2006, YouTube was purchased by Google for $1.65 billion, equivalent to $2.31 billion in 2023. Google expanded YouTube's business model of generating revenue from advertisements alone to offering paid content such as movies and exclusive content produced by and for YouTube. It also offers YouTube Premium, a paid subscription option for watching content without ads. YouTube incorporated Google's AdSense program, generating more revenue for both YouTube and approved content creators. In 2022, YouTube's annual advertising revenue increased to $29.2 billion, more than $9 billion, higher than in 2020. Since its purchase by Google, YouTube has expanded beyond the core website into mobile apps, network television, and the ability to link with other platforms. Video categories on YouTube include music videos, video clips, news, short, and feature films, songs, documentaries, movie trailers, teasers, and TV spots, live streams, vlogs, and more than. Most of the content is generated by individuals, including collaborations between YouTubers and corporate sponsors, is established media, news, and entertainment corporations have also created and expanded their visibility to YouTube channels in order to reach greater audiences. YouTube has had unprecedented social impact, influencing popular culture, internet trends, and creating multimillionaire celebrities. Despite its growth and success, the platform is sometimes criticized for facilitating the spread of misinformation and copyrighted content, routinely violating its users' privacy, excessive censorship, endangering child safety and well-being, and for its inconsistent and incorrect implementation of platform guidelines. YouTube was founded by Steve Shen, Shad Harley, and Javed Karim. The trio were early employees of PayPal, which left them enriched After the company was bought by eBay, Hurley had studied design at the Indiana University of Pennsylvania, and Shen and Karim studied computer science together at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. According to a story that has often been repeated in the media, Harley and Shen developed the idea for YouTube during the early months of 2005, after they had experienced difficulty sharing videos that had been shot at a dinner party at Shen's apartment in San Francisco. Kareem did not attend the party and denied that it had occurred, but Shen remarked that the idea that YouTube was founded after a dinner party was probably very strengthened by marketing ideas around curating a story that was very digestible. Kareem said the inspiration for YouTube came from the Super Bowl, that is a show controversy, when Janet Jackson's breast was briefly exposed by Justin Timberlake during the halftime show. Kareem could not easily find video clips of the incident and the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami online, which led to the idea of a video sharing site. Harley and Shen said that the original idea for YouTube was a video version of an online dating service, and had been influenced by the website Hot or Not. They created posts on Craigslist asking attractive women to upload videos of themselves to YouTube in exchange for a $100 reward. Difficulty in finding enough dating videos led to a change of plans, with the site's founders deciding to accept uploads of any video. YouTube began as a venture capital funded technology startup. Between November 2005 and April 2006, the company raised money from various investors, with Sequoia Capital and Artis Capital Management being the largest two. YouTube's early headquarters were situated above a pizzeria and a Japanese restaurant in San Mateo, California. In February 2005, the company activated. The first video was uploaded on April 23, 2005, titled Me at the Zoo. It shows co-founder Javed Karim at the San Diego Zoo, and can still be viewed on the site. In May, the company launched a public beta, and by November, a Nike ad featuring Ronaldinho became the first video to reach 1 billion total views. The site launched officially on December 15, 2005, by which time the site was receiving 8 million views a day. Clips at the time were limited to 100 megabytes, as little as 30 seconds of footage. YouTube was not the first video sharing site on the internet. Vimeo was launched in November 2004, though that site remained a side project of its developers from College Humor. The week of YouTube's launch, NBC Universal's Saturday Night Live ran a skit, Lazy Sunday, by the Lonely Island. Besides helping to bolster rating and long-term viewership of Saturday Night Live, Lazy Sunday, a status as an early viral video, helped establish YouTube as an important website. Unofficial uploads of the skit to YouTube drew in more than 5 million collective views by February 2006, before they were removed when NBC Universal requested it 2 months later based on copyright concerns. So, friends, we got some information about YouTube, and thank you so much for listening.